Today we're going to be looking at how to back up all of our documents using OneNote. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up either your OneNote app, which you can download from the iTunes store, or go into your email and get to your OneNote link. So it may ask you to sign in. If you see this right here, it just means that you are not signed in. So I would enter my regular email password, and then it will bring me to the CVESD site. So here I'm going to type in same thing that you would use when logging onto your email. The nice thing about OneNote is that you can create folders and subfolders. So I'm going to make a new notebook, and I'm just going to back up some of the brochures from the 2017-2018 school year. So I'm going to create that. There are some files that you can drag and drop. Others you're going to need to open and then drag and drop. So I know that I have some STEM brochures that I need to upload. So I'm going to go into the folder where I have all of my brochures. There we go. And I'm going to find where my brochures are. I'm going to open up my STEM ones. Now when I try to drag and drop these, you'll see that it doesn't let me. You'll see that it kind of kicks it back. Even when I try to do one at a time, it won't let me. That's okay. What I have to do is I have to actually open it, and then I have to drag and drop it. So I'm going to do attach file, because that's just going to give me a really simple thing that I can click on and open it right away. If you do insert printout, it's going to show you every page that you have in that document. And it will show it however you have it oriented. So these ones are upside down so that we can do the back-to-back printing for the brochures. If I wanted to add a new section, let's say that I wanted to do some STEM pictures. And then I may go into my search bar. And the nice thing is that I can actually download, or I can drag and drop right from my search bar, and it will enter it automatically. You can also do videos. So I know that I have some videos. I have some videos in Empatico. Now some of the videos will be able to be inserted. Notice how this one is kicking it back to me. So I'm going to do the same thing where I have to double click, and then I'm going to drag and drop it right into my file. Other ones are going to tell me that it's too big, which means that I'm going to have to actually compress that file. So like this one is telling me that it can't be more than, it has to be smaller than 50 megabytes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the file that I wanted to upload. I'm going to do a right click by selecting it first with my mouse pad, and then I'm going to hit Control and I'm going to click again. Then I'll compress the video, and that is what I would be able to drag and drop. So you can move your files around and kind of organize it too. So again, with OneNote, it's not going to let you drag and drop entire files. With OneDrive, you can. So it just kind of depends on your preference. So that is how you would back up all of your documents using OneNote. Now, if you wanted to use OneDrive, you would go into your email, or you could use the OneDrive app. You can start off with the little waffle guy up here at the top left corner, and then you're going to open up your OneDrive, and once it loads, you'll be able to add new folders. And this is the one where you can actually drag and drop entire folders at a time. So if I wanted to upload So I'm going to do an entire folder this time. I could go upload folder. If I wanted to upload all of the DI applications, I would be able to do that. And yes, I want to upload that. Now sometimes as you see it uploading right here, you will get a big red box that tells you a certain file that may not have been able to be uploaded. So let me change one of my files so that it has that in there. This one. So if you have any kind of symbols in there, OneNote will usually not. There we go. So this one is telling me that it cannot be uploaded because it has that name in there. So if I went to upload a folder, as soon as it loads, I can actually upload all of these files on there, and it will tell me in a big red box if any of the file names were not able to be uploaded. So pretty soon it should show that these are starting to upload. So .localize cannot upload because it's empty. So that's one of the reasons why that one is not able to be uploaded. So this will take a little while, but it's pretty fast. And please remember that you do have about 1 terabyte of storage on your OneNote and OneDrive, which is a ton of space. So you can see how fast it's already uploading all those items to my file. And then you could also view all, and that would show you all of the documents that have not yet been uploaded. So once all of those are uploaded, you'll start to see with the 3 little lines right there, that shows that those are the new documents that I've uploaded. So that's how you would make sure that all of your files are backed up. And please do make sure that you do this before the end of the school year, just in case something happens over the summer or anything, sorry, just in case something happens over the summer, or if there's an issue with your computer. So please back up your computers. Thank you.